Hi students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. I am Leena, your mathematics teacher. How are you? Are you fine? You are doing the problems well? This chapter is very easy for you? Okay, I know you are very good children. You are doing the retest answers and you are studying well also. Is it? So, today's topic is division of 5-digit numbers by 2-digit number. In the lower classes, we have learned to divide 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Is it? So here the number is 18,325 divided by 36. How we will divide? Which one is the dividend? 18,325. Which is the divisor? 36. So to make our calculation easy, we will write the multiplication facts 36 into 2, 36 into 3, like that up to 36 into 9. Then it will be very easy for you to check the answer and divide. Okay, so in the right column of our notebook, we will write the multiplication facts, and then from that fact you can use the necessary steps. Okay, so first step, 18,325 division 36, that we will write, and then we check how we do the problem. Listen the class. Here we divide 18,325 division 36. So at first we will write like this. Here the dividend, here the divisor. Then for your easy method, you can write the multiples of 36. 36 into 2. 36 into 3 up to 9, you can write in the working column. It will help you to do the calculation easily. So we wrote the 36 into 2 up to 36 into 9. Then we are starting our division. First digit here 1, that means 10,000 digit here 1. 36 out of 1 is possible? No, we know 36 is greater than 1. So it is not possible. Then we will group together 8. Then the number will become 18. Again we are checking. 36 out of 18. Is it possible? No, because again 18 is less than 36. Next digit 3. Then what will be this number? 183. Then we check how many times this 36 will go in 183. Then now we can use the multiplication facts we were written there. That means 183 nearer to 183. Which multiplication fact here? You can go to these ones and you can understand. 36 into 5 is 180. 36 into 6 becomes more than 183. So we will write here 5 times 36 into 5, 180. Then we subtract, we will get 3. What is the next method? Next step, we will write down this digit here. Then this number will become 32. Again we check. 36 out of 32 is possible? No. So we will put the quotient as 0. Okay. The next digit you can come down. Here we is skipping one step because in the lower classes you were written 0 into 36, 0, then again subtracting. No need of that step because now you are in higher class. So we can write together step 36. Then here 0 into 10. Next step subtraction. We subtracted, we got 1. Then there is no digit to write down, so our division completed. Then this digit will be the remainder. This will be the quotient. Our question is to check, divide and check. So we have to check the answer. How we will check? Divisor into quotient plus remainder is same as the dividend. You understood the method? So we will multiply the divisor into quotient. You got 18,324 plus remainder. What you got? 18,325. This is the same as our dividend. So this answer is correct. So this way you can check. You can multiply divisor into quotient plus